Look what I got in the mail. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have another PR unboxing and I'm so freaking excited. I'm not gonna lie to you though, my eyes are watering on my inner tear ducts and you can kind of see it a little bit where the turquoise is like getting a little bit darker. Ugh, it's burning. Lord. I also ripped off my nails because why not? So let's get into the big pile. I'm gonna start off with this. When I got this in the mail, I don't know if I can express how excited I was because eyelashes are something that I never get in the mail. Ever. Like, I know that like Alex Faction sent me his lashes like way back in like, I don't know, 2015 or something. But other than that, I don't think I've ever received lashes before. Anyway, so this is the Eyelure, the vlogger series from Eyelure. Now, I have used a pair of these already because I couldn't help it. I used the Krazyrayray ones, and all of these are just so stunning. Like, look at these Nicole Guerriero ones. Oh my god. Like, I can't get enough of that. I'm like gonna hyperventilate because this is so exciting to me. So we have the Nicole Guerriero, Nikki Phillipi, and Lee, and then Krazyrayray. Oh. Thank you so much, Eyelure. If you want to send me more, please feel free. I've already done all my like pre-cutting of all the boxes because I don't want to open it on camera. So in here, we have some stuff from Shiseido, which I've been using their eyeliner lately, so maybe they're like, oh ho ho, look at her. So these are 4 of the Paperlight Cream Eye Color, which I don't even know what this could possibly be. A cream eye color. Oh, the packaging is frost. It's very clean packaging. I'm assuming it's just a cream eyeshadow. And I think I'm right. So that's like a peachy shade. What other shades we have here? This is gonna be a purple. Oh my god, this box. Oh, they're all like kind of pastel-y colors. Cute. This one's a pink. Oh, that's pretty. And the last one, is a blue. Oh my god, it like matches what I'm wearing today. You'd think that I wore this, but I didn't. I can really feel my eyes watering right now. And whenever my eyes water, it like seeps up into my wrinkles. Oh yeah, you can really see it going now. I think it's, guys, don't get mad at me and don't freak out, but I really think that it is the NYX matte liquid liner because I haven't used that in a really long time and I used it today. No. All right, moving on to the next one here. This is from Nip and Fab, which I've never tried anything from Nip and Fab before. I don't even know what these are. So over here we have Nip and Fab Hydrate Super Hydrating Plumping Serum with Hyaluronic Acid and Dragon's Blood. Dragons aren't real. But okay, so it's 50 milliliters and it's just a plumping serum. What does it look like? That's my curious about the packaging. And then this one is the Venom Micro Blur. So this is a one-step instant selfie perfector to prime mattify skin with flawless skin. So it's a face primer that'll mattify you and blur any imperfections. Sounds pretty good. Oh, I like the packaging on this one. That is smooth. This is something that I would definitely use. Thanks so much, Nip and Fab. My hair looks like crap today. Well, actually, my hair looks like crap every day, but especially today. Today, it really looks like something special. Okay, this guy, what is this one? Let's open and see. Oh, yeah. So excited for this. So this one is from Maybelline, and it's to promote their new Temptation franchise. So we have a mascara, I think a brow definer pencil, and an eyeshadow palette, which is in here. A cute little thing. It's an organza bag, I learned that. So an eyebrow pencil, but I have the shade blonde. So not really gonna work, but who knows. An eyeshadow palette, which pretty much they're all like satin finish, and there's a couple with like a little bit of like shimmer in it. Very neutral. I'm loving this side. This is very this is very Bailey over here. That's what it means when it's very me. It's barely. And then we have like a little box in here. Oh yes. I love when companies do these little like videos. I think it's so cute. I haven't even taken this out of here yet. Shh. Quiet time. Love the packaging. Plastic brush, looks like bristle. Smells good. I love the smell of mascara. Like, I actually really like it. And I really like, you know how like some people like black licorice and other people don't like black licorice? I'm one of those freaks that like black licorice, and I like the smell of mascara. I love the smell of it. Look at my eye makeup. It's like really leaking, you guys. I think it's the eyeliner. I'm so sad. I used it like every day for like 2 years straight. That I hadn't used it in so long, and I used it today, and it's just, I'm just falling apart. Maybe I'll just stay really far back, and then what is happening here? And then you guys won't be able to tell that my eyes are fucked. All right, this guy. Oh man, how do I open this? I don't even know. Oh, it's upside down. This one is from E.L.F. Happy New Year! What better time to detox and refresh your skin than after the holiday madness? We want to help you. My bra stops falling down. You start the 2018, that wasn't part of it, on a fresh and flawless note. Inside you'll find 3 amazing masks that include our new charcoal hydrogel under eye mask, in addition to our super hydrating prep and hydrate balm. Ooh, okay. So cute. E.L.F. always sends the cutest little things. Thank you guys so much, E.L.F. Let me continue. So charcoal hydrogel under eye masks. I am so freaking excited to try these. So the pack includes 3 refreshing sets of under eye masks. Oh my god. Guys, we need to look at these. We need to investigate these together. I'm gonna use one of my little razors here that I use to shave my eyebrows with. Get down. Oh, they're packaged. Okay, well I won't unpackage it then until, actually, fuck it. I'm gonna use one tonight actually, so. Ooh, they're all jelly. Like charcoal strips and like jellies. Oh, it smells fresh. Thank you, E.L.F. Then we have the Recharging Magnetic Mask. So excited to try this. I literally want to try this right now. So the kit includes a recharging magnetic mask, dual-sided magnetic tool, and 20 magnet covers. You guys, I'm so freaking excited for this. You don't even know. I think I need to try this tonight. Like, actually, I need to try this tonight. Take mask off. To take it off, you hover the magnetic tool just above the surface of your skin. Oh my god, that sounds so fun. It has carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil in it to help replenish the skin. Yes! Oh my god. So fun! And then we have the Prep and Hydrate Balm with purified water, shea, and vitamin E. Delicious. So you're supposed to apply it on the face before makeup application. Blend if necessary. So it's kind of like a hydrating, like nearly foundation primer, almost. Oh, we have one more thing in here. A hydrating water sheet mask. Oh, E.L.F. spoil me. I'm gonna have the nicest skin. Thank you guys. But seriously though, magnetic mask. I am so excited for that. I don't know if I can contain myself. Next up is a little something from Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever, you guys also spoil me. Matt, I see you. Okay, so in here, look. Okay, so this is the new artist color. So it's their new shadow pans, and you can create your own shadow palette. I had saw this in Sephora, I don't know, like maybe a week, maybe 2 ago, that they had redone their eyeshadows, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. And then I got this in the mail. Like, how amazing is this? So I have 9 shadows, also an eyeshadow primer. So it is the eye and lip primer. It smooths, fills, and intensifies colors. Has creaseless 24-hour wear, and it's $29, which is this guy right here. Let me open this up. Eye and lip primer. I don't know if I've ever heard of an eye and lip primer combined in one before. Very cool. Very cool. And then I'm assuming this little guy right here is my little palette, my refillable makeup system, refillable case. Oh, how sweet. So then I just pop these in there. Let's pop one in. So this is shade ME302. I will admit though, I do wish Makeup Forever had like an easier way to understand their, hi baby, colors. one little note. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And then I'm just doing this just like as a magnet. Oh god, yeah. Ooh, fits so snug. Look, I'm trying to find baby. Baby. Oh, here you are. My sweetie girl. My sweetie girl. My sweetie girl. She's probably thinking, Mom, empty a box so I can go inside a box. I want to go inside of a box. She wants to go in a little box. You gonna hang out here with me, babe? Thank you so much, Makeup Forever. I love you. Next up is a little something from NYX, and this is so cute. So this is from NYX Canada. 2 different things. NYX. So this is from NYX Canada. Thank you so much. This is adorable. Oh my god, it's a little heart box. Look what I got in the mail. This literally matches my makeup right now, and it's as though it was planned, but like it wasn't. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, my hair. Oh my god. How cute is this? You guys, this is so freaking cute. And then inside the box, oh my god. So, okay, so what is in here? Oh my god, I saw Alex, I'm talking about him a lot in this video. I saw him using this palette on an Instagram video of his. Okay, so we have the Powder Puff Lippies. There's 8 shades here. I hope those are all of the shades. And then we have, I don't know how to say this. Is it Mochi? Mochi? Love you so much. I don't know. I wish I knew. I'm just not that well, you know, I'm not that worldly enough to know what this says, but I think it's Mochi. Mochi. Mochi? I love you so, Mochi. Anyway, so there's 2 shadow palettes. This one's a little bit brighter, more fun. This one's a little bit more neutral. How cute. And then there's 2 highlighting palettes as well. One's cool tone and one is warm tone. And then in here, I've never seen these brushes, but these are gorgeous. They have like a almost like iridescent chrome base to them. So cute. So it looks like a little powder brush-ish. I can't get this open. Oh my god. Okay, I can't get this open. And then we also have a fan brush, which I can get this open. Oh, yes, fan brush. You guys. Look what I got in the mail. Baby. She is so freaking happy in this little box. Baby. Hey, you. Good morning. Welcome to the sunshine. Okay, good night. Time to go to bed. Good night. I already put up my swatch video of the new Rimmel Breathable collection, but I thought I would feature this in this video as well because I did just receive it, and this box is like, it's so big. This is probably like the biggest box besides like the Too Faced when they sent the roller skates. That was crazy, but this box is huge. And when the lid has a, look at this. Hey, it's like a picture. I could just like hang it up on my wall just as is. Like seriously, like I feel like I shouldn't even throw this out. I should just put it on my wall somewhere. That's huge. I think it's bigger than life size, to be honest with you. Look, I'm her. Not really. Oh, I can't even like, hold on. Get rid of this. Oh yeah. So in here, there's all 15 shades of the new foundation, 6 shades of the concealer, and then the primer as well. And I will link this video down below if you want to go check it out. I feel like I'm a waitress. I'm actually wearing the foundation right now just because I do like it so much, and then anywhere that I need like some extra coverage, just because it is a medium coverage foundation, I just double up with some concealer. And I'm actually wearing because you probably saw the hole here, I actually have this concealer on today as well. Hey, I don't mind it, like the medium coverage. Like I thought like, oh, I wasn't too sure about the medium coverage to begin with. Dude, I don't even see a difference between it and the full coverage concealer, so I really like it. Okay guys, that is all of the PR that I have to share with you for this video. I think it's long enough. I hope you guys enjoy. Baby's moving. Baby. Oh, boy's playing with her now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.